Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for all you do for me, your comments, your likes, your subscription. Guys, I am very much grateful to you all. So today I am making a simple recipe. I am making groundnut soup. Okay, how to make the best groundnut soup ever. Okay, so let's get into the ingredient that I use in making my delicious Ghana soup. I have my pepper, garlic, onion, my spices, half bell pepper. Okay, I like the taste of the red one, my tomatoes, and then my groundnut paste, and then onions. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I'll be using in making my, you know, my tasty groundnut soup. Okay, so I'll be adding salt and then a paste of tin tomatoes or tomato pasta to it. Okay, I'll be using just half and 1.5 of a tablespoon. Okay, so you can use more if you want. All right, and I'll include all the ingredients in the description. Okay, the best ever granite soup. Feel free to use any meat or fish of your choice. Okay, but I prefer using liver. Okay, and shaki and the fried fish to make my granite soup. I'm making the groundnut paste ready for the soup. Okay, so guys, I'll be adding in hot water and then stir. I'll be putting it on fire for about 5 minutes. Okay, you can use cold water. Yeah, preferably you can use cold water, but I want everything to be very fast. That's why I added the hot water. Okay, and I'll be adding in my tomato paste that I told you about, and all the ingredients will be in the description. Okay, I am still on making my delicious groundnut soup. Okay, so I've added in the tomato paste and you continue from there. We are still on making our delicious and tasty ever groundnut soup. Guys, I can't wait for this soup to eat it with my banku or my fufu. Okay, so as you can see right now, I am stirring because I don't want any lumps in there, and I am cooking on medium heat. Okay, we have to take your time and stir it very well because you don't want any lumps in there. You can try this recipe to make your own groundnut soup. Okay, it will be very delicious, and this is the method I use in making my groundnut soup. You can use any other method, but this way is the best. Okay, trust me. So guys, if you want your groundnut paste to be very nice, kindly try this recipe and you like it. Okay, so after the 5 minutes, my groundnut paste is ready. As you can see, the oil on top is a sign that it's ready for you to make your soup. So I'll be setting this aside, and then we continue from there. Kindly use this recipe to make your own groundnut soup. Okay, very simple recipe. Eve's Kitchen Special. Yeah, so that's the meat that I'll be using to make groundnut soup, and I'll add ginger, blended ginger on it, and then I'll add salt and then the cube. Okay, you can use any spices of your choice. Okay, but try to use more of the natural ingredients. Okay, and I'll be putting in all the ingredients that I am using to make my soup. That's the tomatoes, the pepper, the bell pepper, the onions, and everything together. Okay, try this recipe and you enjoy it, and after I'll cover it and leave it for it to get ready. Okay, to boil. Yeah, so this is how I use the method I use to make my groundnut soup. Try it. Yeah, we are still on making our delicious granite soup. Okay, and at this moment, they are ready. The tomatoes, pepper, and the onions, they are ready. And as you can see, I am taking them out and I'll blend them and then add them back to the soup. Okay, and this soup will be very nice. It will taste great. Try this recipe and thank me later. Okay, and you continue from there. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly support your girl, okay? I am so much grateful to you all for watching my videos. Kindly like it. I'll add in my blended mixture and then add the groundnut paste, okay? I will fill it up with water and add it to the soup. So that's all for making your groundnut soup. This is the method that I use. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so and help your sister, help your girl. Try my recipes, and if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. This is Eve's Kitchen channel, and I will allow it to cook very well. Okay, very simple recipe. You can try this method to make your own groundnut soup. You can eat this soup with your rice, your fufu, your banku, anything that you want to eat it with. I think it's individual choice. And see, very nice and simple recipe, and I enjoy cooking. I can't wait for the end result of this groundnut soup, and it will be very tasty and palatable. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Tell a friend to tell another friend to watch my videos. Kindly like and comment, okay? So as I told you earlier on, I don't care the processes that you use to cook, but the end results should speak for you. Cooking is very dynamic, and you can try my recipe to make your own groundnut soup. So my kenke is ready, my banku is ready. So yeah, I have already tasted, and I will add a bit of salt in there, okay? Because when I was steaming, I didn't add enough salt because I don't want a lot of salt in my food. But I think I need a bit of it, so I will add in salt. And this, it will be on fire for about 5 minutes, and my soup will be ready, okay? My long waiting groundnut soup is almost ready. I added in my fried fish 10 minutes before the soup was ready. Okay, I skipped that video. Kindly forgive me. And you can use any meat or any fish of your choice. Thank you for choosing this channel. I don't take you for granted at all. And the soup is ready. I like the thickness, the taste, and everything is on point. Please try making your own foods, okay? Try making your own groundnut soup and use my recipe. And simple recipe that I bring you on this channel. Thank you so much for choosing this channel, and I don't take you for granted. Yeah, so see you next time with another simple recipe. Thank you so much, and I love you all. Bye.